from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Peugeot 208 here on a 2012 plate. Just doing a position lamp. Now these ones here, they are position and daytime running lamp as well, because you've got a double filament and it is a 580 bulb. That's what you need, and you'll find it in the description as well, the link for it. Now to replace it, you can see this one's not working. Now to replace it, it is quite a simple procedure. What I'll do first, I'll switch the lights off. I mean, when I say simple, they're the most easiest bulbs to do. So it's that plug socket here. So if I take the socket out, now you can see there's a seal around it as well, so make sure the seal's pretty good. Now this is the bulb we're replacing. On the inside you can see the filament, the top one is broken. So what I do now is remove it right here. So you take the bulb out, that's the bulb. I've got the new one right here, so that's the new one. There's only one way the bulb would go as well, so just bear in mind I am working on my own and recording at the same time. I think I might have to get myself a GoPro or something, or a band. That's it. So I slot it in, I then slot it through the hole. So there's just one way it would go, and twist it to your right. Now that's pretty good. Now let's just go and switch the lights on. Make sure the lights are working. There we go. That's all done. Now that's all you have to do on this particular model. It is a Peugeot 208 on a 2012-2013 plate. If there is anything else you need to know, please drop us a comment below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. I will be doing number plate lights on these as well, so I'll have that video up later on. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.